Hello there, this is Bob from AskARoofer.com. Today we're going to be talking about toe boards and toe board brackets. Had a question a couple days ago from a person, and they asked, how do I stay up on my steep roof when doing a new roof? I gotta laugh about that one. Man, I don't mean any disrespect at all. But I'm just wondering, if you're going to ask that question, are you the guy that should be up on that roof doing it? Boy, oh boy, steep roofs are very, very risky. All roofs are risky. But I highly, strongly advise you use a licensed roofing contractor. They're the ones that know the laws and the OSHA requirements and have all the equipment and the skilled people to do that. And man, I'm all for saving money and the do-it-yourselfers and helping you guys out, but boy, it's very risky, and be very careful out there. But to answer your question, I will start with this picture. It's a cedar shake roof, run with a stagger butt exposure here. And this is what's called a toe board bracket. It's made from Douglas fir. It's a 2x6. I recommend using the 2x6 and not a 2x4. The brackets, this is the point of interest we're going to be talking about. They should be run about every 6 foot or so. And the brackets are what hold the toe board up on the roof. I have a picture here of a bracket. This is made by AskARoofer. The point of interest here is the fastening point. The nails go here, 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 and here. This particular one is a 19-inch bracket. They come in 19 and 16-inch. The 19 is great for cedar shakes because it has a more of an exposed face of the material, where asphalt shingles are run about 5 5/8, and you can get away with a 16-inch bracket. But this particular bracket is reinforced with a gusset and stiffeners here. But these slots are what is the key to this and how it makes it work. When doing a roof, you install... Oh, missed that one. I wanted to go back to this one. You install them right over through the roofing material. So this particular course going across here, that's installed. You put the bracket right on top and nail right through it into the sheeting, and you want to hit a rafter. Lifting the felt up here, you can find out where the fasteners go, hitting the rafters, see where the rafters are, and nail these with 16 sinkers. Those green vinyl sinkers. They're the strongest and what is required to stay up, to keep these brackets from falling out. The bracket is made with the design of these angled slots so that when you're done working and you're tearing all this down, the cedar shakes, or the next course up, covers this area. And when you're done, all you have to do is strike this area right here with a hammer, a pretty good strike, and it will move the bracket upwards and off these nails, and then completely slide right out the bottom of the course. And the neat thing about that is that the nails are never seen, or they're never exposed to the weather, so you don't have to go back and caulk everything. There is no damage done to the face of this particular roofing product that you're using. And it's a great way to move around and navigate up on a roof. Once these get steep like this, you need to have a safety program. You need to be harnessed and roped off, but moving around with these things, with these brackets, are a great way to get around and feel comfortable, and not as strenuous a job. So this is what I recommend, these toe board brackets. According to OSHA, I'm going to stress this, any exposed person working on the job if he's exposed to more than a 6-foot fall, you have to have safety equipment. You have to be roped off or netted off or a guardrail system, something to keep them from falling more than 6 feet. And that's not only on the eaves, it's also on the rakes. It's very, very important to know what the laws are. Having said that, you basically want to keep from falling off the roof. It's real important. You might have a question now, where do I get this stuff? And we have a link on our website to the AskARoofer website. It's www.AskARooferBuildingSystems.com, and it has a huge amount of safety products to keep you safe up on the roof. We like sponsoring them on our website. It's a great company that has been around a long time, and they strive to keep people safe up on the roof, and they have a vast amount of distribution points where you can buy the products. If you want, you go back to the website, AskARoofer.com website, and down here, our sponsors, you just click on their link here, and it'll send you right over to them. Give them a call. They can point you in the right direction. Just give them your zip code, and they can tell you where the nearest point of distribution is. So, having said that, be real safe. I appreciate you asking the question, and I hope we answered it in a good and honest way. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. You know the website, AskARoofer.com. Thank you very much.